So now let's talk about the second version of the PDR Dfender tool. What's new? Okay, two modifications. Number one, we have added some clear handle covers to make it more comfortable to hold. Number two, we've added a special attachment on top of the original tip. This attachment allows you to screw on different tips, such as the Handcrafted R4 or Handcrafted R4-P. This attachment will give you multiple options to work the dents, as suggested. We've heard you and we've made it happen. Alright folks, Keith just showed you the two modifications. If you'd like to order a PDR Dfender tool, just go to our website, PDRDfender.com. You may either order the original version of the tool or the newest version with the latest modifications. For those who have purchased the original PDR Dfender tool but would prefer to have the second version of it, please contact us to know how you may exchange it for the modified version. We'll let you know what steps to take, the cost, etc. Thank you all again for watching this video, and we will meet again soon with another episode of PDR Dfender, your fender friend tool.